Master the magic of frequency adverbs in English. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for describing how often something happens in your daily conversations: frequency adverbs. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey through the fascinating world of adverbs. Frequency adverbs are words we use to describe how often something happens. They give more information about the verb in a sentence, adding depth and detail to your conversations. Some common frequency adverbs include always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. When using frequency adverbs, their position in a sentence is crucial. Most frequency adverbs are placed before the main verb. For instance, she always arrives early. I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. However, if the verb to be is used, the adverb comes after the verb. They are always late. He is often tired. Frequency adverbs represent a scale of occurrence, from always, 100%, to never, 0%. Here is how we can view this scale. Always, 100%. This means the action happens all the time. Usually, approximately 80%. This indicates the action happens most of the time. Often, approximately 60%. This implies the action happens frequently, but not as much as usually. Sometimes, approximately 50%. This indicates that the action happens on some occasions. Rarely, seldom, approximately 20%. This means the action hardly ever happens. Never, 0%. This implies the action does not happen at all. Now that you know what frequency adverbs are, where to place them, and the frequency scale they represent, it's time for some practice. Here are a few exercises. Fill in the blanks with suitable frequency adverbs. We, blank, go to the cinema on weekends. They, blank, eat junk food. She, blank, forgets her keys. Correct the sentence by positioning the adverb correctly. She goes never to the gym. I drink coffee always in the morning. That's a wrap for today's lesson on frequency adverbs. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice. So, make sure to use these adverbs as you speak and write English. With time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your language fluency. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!